Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you the Walgreens early ad preview for the deals going on next week. That way we can prepare, see what great deals and scenarios we can put together. I'm also going to be announcing in this video the new winner for my most recent subscriber appreciation giveaway, where I'm giving away a $10 gift card to wherever you choose. The previous winner did not reach out to me within 2 days, so make sure you guys have the notification bell clicked. That way, whenever I post new deals or videos, especially the ones that include the winners of my giveaways, you guys will be notified, and if you're the lucky winner, you won't miss out. If you're not subscribed yet, of course, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will be doing another giveaway, so separate from the one that I'm announcing in this video. I'll be doing another giveaway when I hit 8,500 subscribers, so stay tuned. Hopefully that will be next week, fingers crossed. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. We have Pampers, Easy Ups, and Swaddlers are going to be on sale for $8.99. And when you buy 4, you're going to get $10 back in points, so 10,000 points. That could be a pretty good deal. Hopefully we'll get some new coupons. I have to check the coupon insert preview. I will check that out and get that posted shortly after. We have more hot cereal deals. I like the 50-cent off one because if you only need to buy one cereal, you can do that and get the same price point versus having to do 2 cereals and using the $1 off 2. So that right there is definitely a great deal. Only $1.49 for some cereal. We are getting the $1 off coupon in our Sunday paper for the all detergent and the Snuggle. I'm really excited about that. I'm definitely going to be stocking up on some of those. I like to use those scent beads in my wash, so that way my clothes smell even better, especially after we work out or something like that. We're all stinky and our clothes, I feel like, get all crazy, so I definitely like to use those. So this would be a great deal, of course, but I still haven't seen any paper products in my Walgreens in probably a month and a half now. Crest 3D White is $2.99, $3 register reward when you buy 3. We'll have to see if we get any digitals or anything to pair. Arizona iced tea, again on sale, 2 for $1, so that's always a good filler item if you're needing to add a register reward. Maybelline is on sale, buy one, get one half off, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 register reward. So that will definitely be a great deal. We'll have to see what kind of coupons we have, and always make sure you check your accounts for any booster coupons. That way you guys can get even more points back for the following week. So the booster that I found is 10 times everyday points when you spend $20 or more in-store or online. So that will definitely be a great deal to do. And Lay's and Doritos, again on sale, 2 for $5. We have Tide Simply and Downy, just $2.49 each with a 50-cent off coupon. Not a bad deal. I mean, definitely not the best deal. Usually we get better deals at CVS when they're included in the PG deal, but we'll have to see what's going on in the CVS ad preview after this. We have Dove, Axe, or Degree. Buy one, get one half off, and buy 3, get 3,000 points. L'Oreal Cosmetics, buy one, get one half off. We have a nice digital coupon there. Barefoot, this is a really good deal. So they're on sale for $5.99. And it says savings reward. It's pretty much a register reward. I'm not sure why they call it something different when it's the wine, but you'll get a $5 savings reward when you buy 2. So not a bad deal at all. Final cost for 2, I believe, is $3.49. So that's not a bad deal. What else? We have some good food deals here. I did an entire video for the current week for all the Walgreens food deals in case you need to stock up on any essentials. So if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you click this link above. That way you can check out what good deals there are the current week, especially if you have that 25% off coupon and you're looking for what deals to use that on. That is definitely a great way. I also posted my Walgreens haul where I used the 25% off coupon. We got some super cheap Dove, Olay. We got some Old Spice body wash, some great deals for sure. So if you haven't seen that video yet, of course, the link will be in the description box as well as at the end of the video. So make sure you guys check that out. Ground beef again, current week is the same price point. Next week, same price point. So $2.99 for a pound of frozen ground beef. We have $3.99 for nice pizzas. I actually had a Hawaiian pizza yesterday. I actually like Hawaiian. I like pineapple on my pizza. Comment below. Let me know if you guys like pineapple on your pizza or if you're one of those people that it totally freaks you out to have pineapple on your pizza. The nice sandwich bags are back. Buy one, get two free. And Glad trash bags, the 13-gallon or the 30-gallon, are on sale for just $7.99 each. Combos, I love combos, especially the pizza ones. 2 for $4. We have Cheez-Its, $1.79. That is a really good deal. What else? Gum, 2 for $2 here. Same price the current week, 3 for $3 for 2-liter sodas. 2 for $5 on the 6-packs, same price the current week at Walgreens as well. 2 for $3 for the Fiji water. That is definitely a great deal. Regular price, if you buy 2, it would be $5. So that's saving you $2 right there. And no coupons or anything needed. Let's see, buy one, get one half off on Lysol. I haven't seen any Lysol. What else? We have the small Dawn dish liquid, 7 ounces, just 99 cents. That's a great deal. Angel Soft on sale, $3.49 with a 50-cent coupon. $1.99 for the Ajax or Suavitel. Also includes Fabuloso. And yeah. And it's time to announce the winner of my $10 gift card giveaway. Make sure you reach out to me in 2 days. Shoot me an email. Congratulations to Shauna O'Neill. Make sure you reach out in 2 days. The email is right here, briecouponqueen@gmail.com. Let me know your address, where to send the gift card, and where you want the $10 gift card for. Whether you want it to CVS, Walgreens, Amazon, you name it. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you guys again for everyone who has entered my giveaway and all the subscribers and supporters on my channel. I definitely do appreciate every single one of you, and I look forward to the next giveaway. What else? CoverGirl, buy one, get one half off. And if you text vegan to 41456 for offer savings. Huh, that's new. So make sure you text that over and we'll have to see what kind of coupon or what kind of savings we're going to get on that. I'm interested to see. Wet n Wild, 4,000 points when you spend 10 or more. Not bad. A lot of good beauty deals, especially when you have the buy one, get one half off. There's a lot of different coupons online. The 4 off of 2 coupon is an IVC coupon, so it's a Walgreens coupon. And then that $2 off online coupon is a manufacturer coupon. So both of those together, on top of it being buy one, get one half off, you can certainly get some super cheap Rimmel next week. Dial body wash, $2.99 with a $1 off coupon. Same deal the current week, Olay and Old Spice, 2 for $12, and buy 4, get a $5 register reward. The current week, I did the Old Spice and Olay deal because there is an Ibotta rebate. It is expiring really soon. So if you haven't checked out that video, definitely check it out. If that is a deal you're wanting to do, I would check your Ibotta rebate, see when it expires, and make sure you obviously go before it expires because that's what makes that deal even better. Secret and Old Spice deodorants, 2 for $10. Get 4,000 points when you buy 4. There is an Ibotta rebate for the Old Spice, but it's only on the Ultra Smooth, which is typically not included. The Ultra Smooth, I believe, is $6.99 each. Bic Soleil, I love these razors. These are the ones that I use. They're buy one, get one half off. There's a $3 digital coupon, and buy 4, get 4,000 points. This is new, the Oral-B Breath Therapy. There's a bunch of different oral rinses for Oral-B. I got a couple, what's it called? I got a couple, CRTs, that's what it is. CRTs at CVS for them. So I'll have to see if we're gonna be getting any paper coupons or digitals to see if we can put together a good deal at either store. So at Walgreens, there is a $6 off of 4 and 4,000 points when you buy 2. So that could be a pretty decent deal. Colgate Optic White and Max Fresh are $2.49 with the 50-cent coupon and a $5 register reward when you buy 2. Right there, freebie. How exciting. So when you buy 2, it'll be $5.98. Use 2 50-cent coupons. That'll bring it down to $4.98. Pay $4.98, get back $5 register reward, bam. Nice freebie that anyone can do, which is awesome. Buy one, get one half off on vitamins and supplements. Stay Free and Playtex. I would stay away from these 2 deals. Usually we get reward points back or register rewards, something like that. That would make that even better. Sometimes at Walmart as well, we'll get some great Ibotta rebates, and they can be free or even small money makers depending on how much your rebate is worth. Claritin, we get some deals every single week, which is awesome. If you do need that product, it is super expensive, so any kind of savings is always welcome. Renew, $5.99 with card and a $2 off coupon. And looks like this is the last page. Yep, and that is it. So if you have any questions, make sure you guys take a second, drop a comment, let me know. Give the video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If anyone is needing to shop on a budget, get some good essentials, these videos can definitely help them know where to go to minimize how often they go out to the store. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.